Now so far we discussed about the collisions. So in this video I am going to say about the coefficient of restitution. Generally this is represented by the letter E. So for example, when two bodies are traveling with velocities initially u1 and u2 of masses m1 and m2, after collision, this moves with the velocity v1 and v2. So here v1, v2 are the final velocities after the collision. So then coefficient of restitution E is equal to, so here coefficient of restitution E is equal to v2 minus v1 by u1 minus u2. So v1 and v2 are final velocities, whereas u1 and u2 are initial velocities. So the ratio of change in final velocities to initial velocity of two objects in a collision is called as the coefficient of restitution. Generally, this coefficient of restitution is sometimes equal to 1 or sometimes less than 1 or greater than 1. So now v1, v2 are the final velocities. So then we are going to derive the equations for v1 and v2 with respect to E. That is, v1 is equal to m1 minus em2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus 1 plus e m2 by m1 plus m2 into u2. So this is for v1. In the same way for v2, so here 1 plus e m1 by m1 plus m2 into u1 plus m2 minus e m1 by m1 plus m2 into u2. So this is the formula to find v1 and v2 for collision. So here by using of E, that is the coefficient of restitution, we can be able to find the values of v1 and v2 easily. So for elastic and inelastic collisions, so we discussed about elastic and inelastic collisions. For elastic collisions, E is equal to 1, but for other collisions like inelastic, head-on and oblique, E is less than 1. So E less than or equal to 1. This is the limit of coefficient of restitution during collision. So kinetic energy. So it is the energy during the motion. So even during collision, the kinetic energy exists. So that is before collision and after collision. Let the kinetic energy before the collision is k1, whereas the kinetic energy after the collision is k2. Now delta K, that is change in kinetic energy, is equal to K2 minus K1. So this is the change in kinetic energy. But we have to write this in the form of coefficient of restitution. So that is change in kinetic energy is equal to half m1 m2 by m1 plus m2 into u1 minus u2 whole square into 1 minus e square. So I told you that u1 is the initial velocity of object 1, that is which is of mass m1, and u2 is of m2. change in kinetic energy. So K2 minus K1 is equal to this formula. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please like, share, comment and subscribe to get more notifications.